Welcome back everyone to our channel. It's wonderful to see you all again. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. Today, we're going to tackle something that most of us have experienced at one point or another, the dreaded toothache. We'll be looking at some natural remedies that you can try at home for some immediate relief. Before we dive in, let's understand what triggers this pesky pain. Toothaches can be caused by a variety of issues, such as cavities, gum diseases, a cracked tooth, damaged fillings, or even issues unrelated to the teeth like sinus problems. These remedies we're discussing today can help provide temporary relief, but they should never be a substitute for proper dental care, and you should always consult a dentist for a precise diagnosis. Alright, let's begin with our first remedy, the good old saltwater rinse. This is something that most of us can easily whip up using household items. To create a saltwater rinse, you simply dissolve half a teaspoon of salt into a cup of warm water. Once the salt has dissolved, swish this solution around your mouth for about 30 seconds and then spit it out. This can help because salt water is a natural disinfectant, and it can help to loosen food particles and debris that may be stuck in your teeth, reducing pain and inflammation. Our second remedy is using a cold compress or an ice pack. The application of cold can help to numb the pain and reduce inflammation and swelling. All you have to do is wrap a few ice cubes in a thin cloth or towel and apply it to the aching area for about 15 minutes. But be cautious not to apply the ice directly to your skin to avoid cold burns. Coming up next is one of the oldest remedies in the book, clove oil. Cloves have been used for their medicinal properties since ancient times, particularly for treating toothaches. This is because cloves contain a compound called eugenol, which has natural anesthetic and antibacterial properties. To use clove oil for toothache relief, just dab a small amount onto a cotton ball and apply it to the area that's giving you trouble. You should feel a numbing sensation that provides temporary relief. Another natural remedy you might not have considered for toothache is peppermint tea. Peppermint has numbing properties which can soothe the painful area. Just steep a teaspoon of dried peppermint leaves in a cup of boiling water for about 20 minutes. Once it's cool, you can swish it around your mouth. Alternatively, you can place a cooled peppermint tea bag directly on the tooth that's causing you discomfort. Now, I'm sure most of you didn't expect this next one, garlic. While it's more commonly known as a flavorful addition to our dishes, garlic has been used for its medicinal properties for thousands of years. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which has antimicrobial properties that can help kill bacteria that cause dental plaque. Moreover, it may help reduce pain and inflammation. To use garlic as a toothache remedy, crush a garlic clove to create a paste and apply it to the affected area. Then we have another popular kitchen ingredient, thyme. Thyme essential oil is known for its strong antibacterial and antioxidant properties which can help in reducing toothache. Add a few drops of thyme oil to a small glass of water and rinse your mouth with it. You can also mix it with a few drops of water and apply it directly to the tooth with a cotton ball. Lastly, we have guava leaves. They have anti-inflammatory properties which can help heal wounds. Plus, they're antimicrobial, so they can help in oral care. To use guava leaves for toothache, simply chew on fresh guava leaves or add crushed guava leaves to boiling water to make a mouthwash. So, there you have it, 7 natural remedies for toothache. But remember, these are temporary measures. If you're experiencing a toothache, it's very important to consult a dental professional to get to the root cause of the issue. Regular checkups can also help prevent minor problems from becoming major ones. That wraps up our video for today. I hope you find these natural toothache remedies useful. Give them a try next time you're battling an unpleasant toothache. But the best way to prevent toothaches is by maintaining a healthy dental routine. Brush your teeth twice a day, floss regularly, and don't skip your dental checkups. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Leave a comment below and let us know about your experience with toothaches or any other natural remedies you've tried. Until next time, take care, keep smiling, and remember to make your health a priority.